pork adobo recipe. Ingredients: 1/3 c. low sodium soy sauce, 1/4 c. plus 3 tablespoons distilled white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, 1/4 c. packed dark brown sugar, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 tablespoon sriracha, optional, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, 2½ pounds skin on pork shoulder, cut into 1½ inch pieces. Adobo and assembly: 2 tablespoons virgin coconut oil, 2 small yellow onions, each cut into 6 wedges, 8 cloves garlic, smashed, 1 dried ancho chili, stemmed, optional, 1 tablespoon black peppercorns, ½ a teaspoon kosher salt, 2 bay leaves, 2 c. water, 1/4 teaspoon MSG, optional. Directions: in a large bowl, stir soy sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, fish sauce, sriracha, if using, and ginger. Add pork and toss to evenly coat, then set aside while preparing remaining ingredients. Adobo and assembly: in a large pot over medium heat, heat oil. Cook onion, garlic, chili, if using, peppercorns, salt, and bay leaves, stirring occasionally, until garlic is lightly golden, 4 to 6 minutes. Drain pork, reserve marinade. Increase heat to high and add pork to pot. Cook, stirring occasionally, until pan is dry and pork is lightly caramelized, 17 to 19 minutes. Add reserved marinade and water and bring to a boil. Reduce heat to medium-low, cover, and simmer, stirring occasionally, until pork is very tender and can be cut with a spoon, about 1 hour. Uncover, increase heat to medium-high, and continue to simmer until sauce is thickened, about 5 minutes. Remove bay leaves. Stir in MSG, if using. Place rice on a platter. Top with pork and pour sauce over.